our wonderful stake here doesn't really matter unless our tree is attached to it. What we'll have here for you folks, we're sharing with you folks this very unique little rubber band, very simple, very cheap, and it has this, you know, normal rubber band, but then it has this little hook on the bottom, and it really just attaches to itself. There's UV resistance here, and really what's happening is this size is perfect for this size tree, this first year or two. We're going to have a larger size available for as your tree matures. But really, look for some photos. It's really hard to see in this video how I'm exactly attaching it. But basically, you're wrapping it around the conduit, and those little hooks are just catching itself on the rubber itself. Simple, voila. 3 minutes later, what I've done is I've installed one above the rodent and teenage protector, one halfway through, and one up near the top. We really don't want to have any wiggle. So please put like at least 3, and you know, if you need a 4th one, don't skimp. They're cheap. Take care.